but today we see the plasma therapy for COVID-19 patients. First one is we are seeing today COVID-19 versus PRP, what, where, which, and history and risk and benefit, symptoms and advantage of PRP, and how PRP preparation, everything you'll see. At last I will show some videos also. You can see, you can understand more. First, what is a coronavirus? You know very well, coronavirus, a crown-like structure, is a cause to respiratory problem related to one of the sinus, throats, lungs, nose among the respiratory area. Coronavirus is a large family virus which may be cause of illness of animals and human beings. You especially MERS and SARS, that recently discovered by coronavirus is called by COVID-19. This already very familiar. We go our topics. First of all, you can see how effective was the plasma therapy. For example, plasma therapy, how much effective for them? How much effective was therapy? But it is not a magic, but it's not 100% effective, but one of the good treatment for the available, because of now do not have any define of treatment regarding COVID-19. So this is one of the methods. Some journals investigation they says regarding research development of conventional plasma therapy for prevention and treatment of COVID-19. Um, 19. So that regarding the some abstract will be there. So if you want to see reference, you Google and see more also regarding this. So we go for our what is plasma. First one is already I told. Simply I'm saying our blood have only one, mainly three is there. First one is for them RBC, WBC, another one is plasma, platelets. For example, if your RBC, what they're doing, they carry the oxygen to the whole of blood body and carbon dioxide. In that purpose, they're doing RBC. That is called the RBC is a red color. That is only our reason is blood is red color because of you see the picture this side platelets plasma. For you see this side picture, if your plasma is full yellowish color because of reason is there no that have yellow for us more water liquid like substance, and then protein also is there. The serum is a plasma which is the clotting factors very helpful. For example, suppose I have to injury, small injury in my hand, what happens, suppose within 1 or 2 days automatically small injury recovery over because of our body god given gift naturally cure from the disease. The oxygen will be fighting the infection of platelets. For example, WBC, very helpful for immune system. Same like platelets. That's only RBC is red color only. We cannot see the platelets for in our eye because of that is the reason. So if you remove from the blood, we can see the platelets. Okay, platelets very helpful for them for the against to infect against for very helpful for them. You see here this picture. What are the you see here? I think everybody can see. But in by plasma, you see this picture red color, that is erythrocytes and puff coats and plasma. This like is 50% is there. First one is blood. Already I told blood plasma is a yellowish color because of the presence of yellow pigment are called bilirubin. Usually that is the reason is plasma is that called yellowish color. Usually not visible. I already told not visible from our eyes because of red blood cell is more than 40 to 50% in the blood. So that is the reason we cannot see. RBC, carry the fresh oxygen to the body and remove the carbon dioxide. WBC is the immune system, the fighter disease of less than 1% of our blood. Next one is it is carry the cells, for example, proteins and through the bodies. That is the work. 55% of body whole volume of total volume of blood. Blood serum for blood serum is the blood plasma without clotting factors. For example, plasma is made by water and protein and bilirubin formed by the breakdown of the hemoglobin. This is the thing. Next, you see here this picture. I think you can see here. First, you see the picture. First, you see the right side. I will tell them. Antibodies is at the fighting against the antigen. You see here the picture in down picture. You can see first antibody is there. That is a Y-like structure. They're fighting with the antigens because of no. Suppose an enemy is coming, we are attacking. Same like our body, like any foreign particles should be coming. We are suppose any dust will be coming. Immediately we are sneezing. Any foreign particles come from our nose, immediately we are reacting to same like plasma cells makes the antibiotics and the antibodies binding to the germs. what they're doing, antibodies will be working against the other parts of the immune system, destroy the germs. What are the germs will be destroyed. This is a normal given process going. Infection naturally for the artificial. Sometime what happen? We are chutti bache ke time we are giving artificial immunization because of artificial immunization means, for example, vaccination. BCG, diphtheria, whatever, BCM, measles, hepatitis vaccine. Why you are giving? Because of our body, like future any infection should be coming to fight against the disease. That purpose we are giving immunization. But God giving gift for natural Bhagavan gift देंगे to fighting against the disease. Next one is passive immunity. Passive immunity means maternity, for example, maternal antibiotics naturally we are giving, and plasma therapy also another one therapy. Because of your mother breastfeeding time पे baby को transfer हो गए natural antibiotics में the from through the milk they're transferring. Another one is fourth option is plasma therapy. Totally I'm telling about the four things. First one is for the natural our body immunity. Another one is immunization schedule. Fourth one is for the antibiotics, maternal antibiotics naturally. Another fourth one is the plasma therapy. Next one is immune system. Immune system fighting the virus. Suppose मेरे को ठीक नहीं है, मेरे को health ठीक नहीं है. What happen? My I can struggling with the problem with health. So what happen? Give for the plasma therapy. So the plasma, what happened? Plasma therapy, how can given already recovery from the disease? Who is already recovery from the disease? That person from the blood, they're taking the plasmas and given to the other patient. For example, I am affecting with COVID-19, 14 days I quarantine at least 3 weeks. So what happened? My after my recovery, my blood, if you after 3 weeks, if you test everything I passed, my blood I given to the other. Who everybody want to plasma therapy? No, because of only need the plasma therapy who have very severe sick and illness. That person only need for plasma therapy. Find out the antigen. Their first one is the Y like structure is there. They're fighting immunoglobulin. Already you know Y shaped protein. That that is antibiotic against that signal to pass. You see the picture, antibody the yellowish color to passing the antigens against. They're fighting with against the disease. This picture everything clearly you can understand. Next one is we can see here. Next one is we can see here main thing, what are the available evidence for, is for the use it is using. For example, you see here first 1890, you can see right side, you can see 1890, you see here discovered by German physiologist Emil von, their discovery for the plasma therapy. First person they given for the diphtheria cases for the rapid they testing for them first time 1890. Afterwards what happened? 1918 H1N1 influenza virus against they given for 1918. Against what they happened doing 2009 Hepalovirus. I know you heard the words of Hepalovirus 2009. They given for the WHO. They given recommended to given 2019. Next one is 2014 H1N1 Spencer's flu, pursuing flu, SARS, MERS, COVID, COV1 cases documented positive result will be coming. So that is the reason now 2020 in China, Swan University, the 10% they're given plasma therapy, 7% is already recovery from the disease. Plasma therapy nowadays India several states like Kerala first started the plasma therapy in Gujarat, Punjab, UP, Maharashtra. I have now so many states in Delhi. So many places have already started to the using the plasma therapy. At present, ICMR plasma therapy. If you need main thing is ICMR and DGCI approval. Because of every institution should not give the plasma therapy because of ICMR approval. Very Indian Council of Medical Research approval very necessary. They have given for the plasma therapy. Because of regular approval clearance only you given the plasma therapy against COVID-19 patients. That keep it in mind. So conversion plasma therapy, that's an experimental procedure for the COVID-19 patient. Next, plasma therapy versus COVID-19. What's the relation between both of them? Main things you can keep it, main components of interest. For example, plasma therapy and serum therapy, infection disease. Already I told I am affected with COVID-19. I am recovering from the diseases after 14 days or 3 weeks. why bloods from taken given to plasmas to given for other person who is infected. Everybody not, for example mera everybody never given who is severe excel, especially old age people more than 60 70, the type of age group people more sickness, okay, unable to take the breathing, that type of severe illness patient only given the convalescent plasma therapy. This is called convalescent plasma therapy. What is PRP? Already I told, no, what is my PRP? Platelets rich plasma. This is the blood plasma that can be enriched of with the platelets. Plasma is a transfusion, is a very common process done during the major surgery in the patient of bleeding, mainly provide the clotting factors. For example, you see here this condition of treated by PRP. Kya condition? First one is orthopedic, maxillofacial surgery, plastic, cardiac, cosmetic surgery, general surgery, sportsman medicines, hair transplantation, skin rejuvenation. This type of all person they given plasma. Especially I told, no, for example, some especially professional field, for example film industries people or medicine, for example sportsmen, this type of people they're given for them for example orthopedic, that type of cases plasma therapy given, they're easily recovery from the diseases from them. I show the video, you can understand little more also. Next one is, another one is, how does, for example, this plasma therapy, for you see here, how does the PRP healing for injury? For example, platelets stimulate for the healing process. Already I told platelets will be increasing healing process, very helpful. Platelets will be additionally attract for, like some last video I show what type of food you want to take for increase your platelets. So stem cell, another naturally healing process, already bleeding from the damage of tissues. Platelets will be release the growth factors responsible for all repairing our naturally, our already told God given naturally gift for सब लोग को गिफ्ट दे देंगे हमको ऑटोमेटिक हील होने के. Plasma carry the variety of function our body for including clotting the bloods and fighting against the disease and critical any illness, that were very helpful. Constantly new tissues forming ki very helpful was. Next one is, you see here benefits of PRP in the healing of cancer. For example, you see this two chart. First chart is wound healing. First chart they see here wound healing without PRP. Another second one is wound healing with PRP. You see here we can see the down sheet. You see here first one is hematosis doing. Another one is inflammation their process doing. Another one is tissue regeneration, tissue remodeling. Another one is last one is psychological responding for them. But upstairs what happened? Hemostasis they're doing inflammation, tissue regeneration, tissue remodelization. Because of this same process doing, this is first one is natural doing, second one is we are giving PRP. PRP means plasma therapy we are giving for them. Plasma therapy were given for the recovery from there. Because of this is shortness of therapy, healing from the injury very quickly to help for the patients. You see here, this is a PRP kit or CRA machine with the plasma therapy. This is a kit. You see if you want to search more in Google. This regarding, you see what are the advantage of these kits. For example, usually tube for 100 ml for PRP 24G and syringe is 2 ml and 5 ml 30 kg and 80 kg spinal. This is the connector one, and easy access PRP everybody can use it, and 20 cc of single kit configuration is the RBC segmentation. You see the blood, you see the picture RBC alagosate. Because of safe using for them, promote local tissue growing and repairing very helpful, and non-toxin and convalescent, push the transferring active just prior injection, control for volume of PRP, and easy use for them, and everybody can use it, and high concentrational PRP and puff coat. I showed no, in the picture you see RBC alag hai, plasma alag hai. In center part this puff coat, the coasting effect, the simply operation and non-constitutional by any pathogenics. These are all advantage of the PRP kits. You see how weight is plasma therapy done for COVID-19 patient. Number one, see the number one, recovery COVID-19 patient blood, develop the antibodies to the battle against COVID-19. Suppose मेरे को कोरोना अफेक्ट हो गया, I am recovery हो गया, मेरे को ऑलरेडी एंटीजन नेचुरल प्रोड्यूस हो गया। नॉर्मल आपको मालूम है, फॉर एग्जांपल चिकन बॉक्स इधर एक टाइम चिकन बॉक्स हो गया, नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं आ सकता, बिकॉज ऑफ ना वी हैव ऑलरेडी दैट वायरस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड against fighting. So next time if you come, the enemy will become immediately attack. Same like see tarah same like also here also happen. Here see here number what they're doing before I give for them confirmation. For suppose I am giving the donor means confirm karna padenge I have hepatitis or any viral by hepatitis B and C, any HIV, any syphilis, because of na mera health issues है दूसरा member के चलेंगे, that chances is there. So severe illness for example donor will be is tested for lab में test करना पड़ेंगे इसका already any dyspnea, life threatening, any specific shock or respiratory failure, any multiple organ failure is there or not, because I have this type of issues I cannot give the for the plasma therapy. Next one is collecting the plasma. Suppose I am okay, so my plasma will be collecting. First, we are collecting the plasma, blood collecting. Afterwards, plasma should be separated, purified. Afterwards, positive diagnosis. If you okay, serological test means I give the donor pass to the plasma therapy. So donated the plasma have the sufficiency of antibody against COVID-19 to offer the treatment of values. One more thing, if your donor is female, suppose special areas, antibodies called HLA, human leukocytes antigen, body should be absence of in the plasma, because of any other organ related, if any health issues is there, that I want to check for the females. Next one is where does it's come for? You see this picture, first one is you see right side is the blood is the, next one is so left side is blood is the, right side is you see how the puff coat and RBC alag the plasma is there. For example, where does it come from? For example, PRP come from the patient own blood. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? ओन ब्लड से आ रहे हैं. Autoclavus sources and those who have developed the antibiotics, virus or bacteria. कुछ भी virus है or bacteria है against है already develop हो गया antibody. That is the automatic औषधि. This is the process grant to the patient some passive immunity. This is helpful for the passive immunities. Preparation of how to PRP preparation. First one is I show the video, you can understand. First one is collecting the whole blood from the patient. Patient के साथ whole blood collect करेंगे, soft spin में डाल देंगे, separate RBC and plasma 200 gm 15 minutes करेंगे, clotting the platelets poor plasma the checking करेंगे, remove from the RBC from the plasma, hard spin में 400 g at the 15 minutes, separate the platelets from the plasma volume. Result is high concentration of platelets. For example, high concentration of platelets. Because of high concentration of platelets, for example, the result should be volume of plasma will be platelets rich plasma, and they have given for plasmas 1080 10.3 is the platelets per is PML. We see here this picture. You see which COVID-19 patient have the plasma therapy. Because of first one is photo, for example within 74 hours मेरे को health ठीक नहीं हो गया, within for example you want to 74 hours you want to give the plasma therapy, but at the same time at a time we are not given. For example धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा if I want to given 150 180 ml like want to given next अलग time for one. First if patient is okay, is comfortable, if you know any issues, any allergy, any fevers, or patient have any issues, already I told plasma therapy some risk is also, we can see next upcoming slides. Next one is first you see the picture in two I divided. First you see the down. First one is registered clinical. I told everybody cannot should be given registered clinical, very important. Who have severe illness only we can give for the plasma therapy. Next one is treatment guidelines followed as per the scientific procedure follow करना पड़ेंगे. Next approved from the evidence. Already I told we need approval and evidence. Patient के पास COVID-19 है, कितना दिन हो गया, recovery हो गया, is the right time, is a 14 days from of the symptoms, is diagnosis test, is a positive serological test. Okay, afterwards only donor can be donated 400 ml. कितना ml donate करेंगे? 400 ml can donated for plasma एक patient. For example, I can donate 400 ml, but 200 ml enough to the recovery from the disease. Next, you see upstairs how who are not eligible for unable to participate in the clinical trial. कौन eligibility नहीं है, मैं suppose 3 weeks नहीं हो गया, 14 days नहीं होगा, मैं eligible ही नहीं है, suppose मेरा को कोई health issues है, I cannot give the donor. Donor have recovery from the infection at least 3 weeks. Already I told 3 weeks very necessary. Only be used for research trial person. Everybody cannot be used. And government authority, for example, ICMR authority, very important. Transfusion of related acute lungs injury. Sometimes this is very important. Underline the this words TRALI. Because of transfusion of related to acute lungs injury ki chance is there. So we want to carefully do it. Next, this picture you see, what are the symptoms, how that where here are some symptoms showing that the therapies is effective in the patient. For example, you see this picture. For example, you see here, first one is number one, patient is oxygen is reduced for the requirements of is reduced, no need to artificial oxygen, जरूरत के time नहीं, improve the breathing, I am taking breathe easily, so because I am recovery easy for them. Next, chest x-ray, if you take the chest x-ray, it's okay, I will show the videos. Next one is patient no longer mechanism ventilation, so no need to mechanism ventilation ke support ke jarurat nahi hai. Next one is virally load that decrease after the therapies, no need. Next one is reinfection for positive, they have positive or not, we want to check in. And is another one is reactivation, this is inactive and not how they're reacting them, everything. Sometimes false positive also chance is there. Next slide we see, this slide you see risk for, what are the risk involved. For example, first one is transfer the blood, suppose not sufficient, one of the issues. Number two, engaging of infection, suppose I have infection, suppose I already told I have any health issues, so my infection transfer to the other person. Number three, what happened you see here, number three, effective immune system, मेरा body में effective immunization, suppose I body want to react for the any virus for against fighting with them, so that is very important. COVID patient is the reinfection, they again sometimes they have reinfection chances there. Minor risk, what are there, already I told, fever, allergics or minor risk. Sometimes organ damage, very important, organ damage, lung injury ki chances there, because of especially heart failure, sometimes brain strokes and respiratory lungs failure is there. This type of issues la we can facing for them. Next one is this type heart problem, that lungs issues we can facing for them, the type of issues we can face for them. Next one is, see here, what type of foods you want to take for them, because of, you see here, first one is how can I increase my platelets, because of platelets is a very important for human being fighting against a disease. Fruit the rich, for example, first one is folate rich foods. What are the folate rich? Dark leaf dark chocolate, you know, सब लोग को मालूम है, dark chocolate, green leaf vegetables, beef, suppose you are non-vegetarian, beef livers and black eyed peas and for and breakfast cereals and dairy and rich you are considered. Next one is food rich, for example, vitamin B12, C, D, K. D is already available from sunlight. I already told vitamin D versus COVID-19. Already upload my video in YouTube. You see here, you can see on the link and see also. So vitamin D very important for the, against very important for COVID-19, very important to helpful for them. At least daily 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you go for sunlight, you get the vitamin D very free, no cost of money. Vitamin K, vitamin B12, C also. C is very important also. Now any commonly orange juice, grape juice, kiwi fruits like you can, red or green bell berries you can available. And so for example, vitamin B12, for example, egg, fish, throat, salmon, tono, percoli. These are all things. Puzzles. You are this picture. You can see green leaf vegetables like you can take. You are healthy. Normally, you can take healthy foods, balanced diets. Very vegan. If suppose you are vegetarian, means you drink the soya milks, mushrooms, pumpkin, fish liver, for yogurt, dahi, yogurt, cereals, strawberries. You can think iron rich foods. For example, osteris. This is a seafood. You can available them. Will be beans, kidney beans for dark chocolate. For example, rajma dal, kidney like beans is there, na, stretcher, whatever there you can take for them. You can easily your platelets, because of platelets is very important to fighting against the disease. Already I told. So increase your platelets. You can take today onwards your home this type of foods. Next one is conclusion. I tell to PRP therapy is a therapy uses of injection to constriction of patient to wound platelets to accelerated the healing of injury. The first validative was done in 1982 diphtheria using for the serum for animals. In future, anything experimental they can going on any further. If you anything, we can see the technology development based. And this all my reference. If you want to, you can see. Thank you all of you very much. Now I show the one videos. You can see that video.
இதுவரை ஜெயம் இன்ஃபோ 5 சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கீழே இருக்க ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இது போல அருமையான வீடியோவை உங்களுக்காக காத்திருக்கு.